Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into a must-have tool for all you gardening enthusiasts out there, the PERSZEN 60 PCS plant clips. If you're looking to support your plants with ease and efficiency, you've come to the right place. Stick around as we explore why these clips are a game changer for your garden. These plant clips are designed to be the best solution for supporting the stems of your flowers, vegetables, and vines. What makes them stand out? Let's break it down. First off, versatility. Whether you're nurturing delicate tomato vines or guiding the growth of vibrant flowers, these clips come in two sizes, 20 large and 40 small, to handle any plant support need. The large clips measure 1.77 by 2.36 inches, while the small ones are 1.57 by 1.18 inches, ensuring a secure fit without hindering growth. Durability is key when it comes to gardening tools, and these clips deliver. Crafted from heavy-duty spring steel wire and high-quality plastic, they're built to last through seasons of use. They're not only robust but also waterproof, perfect for outdoor environments where resilience is essential. Let's talk about ease of use. One of the standout features of these clips is how effortless they are to apply and adjust. Simply pinch them open, position them around the plant stem, and release. They provide a gentle yet firm grip, ensuring your plants grow straight and strong without causing any harm. Don't just take our word for it, customers love these clips too. They rave about how they've revolutionized their gardening experience, making plant support a breeze. Now, how do these stack up against the competition? Unlike traditional ties that can be cumbersome and restrictive, these clips offer flexibility and adjustability. They're designed to accommodate different angles and growth stages, giving your plants the freedom to thrive naturally. Let me show you firsthand how effective these clips are. Whether you're training vertical growth or preventing sprawling, they maintain stability without stifling growth. Plus, their reusable nature makes them a sustainable choice for environmentally conscious gardeners. In conclusion, the PERSZEN 60 PCS plant clips are more than just gardening accessories. They're tools that promote healthy plant growth with minimal effort. If you're ready to elevate your gardening game, check out the link in the description below to get your own set today. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more insights into the best products on the market. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!